Yeah?
There they are. You want the other part of the peach?
Yeah?
Okay, we're still missing part of the pineapple.
You
Not
saw
missing,
it?
just, oh, there's a piece.
Lila, what's this? Moo. Can you do that? That's my girl.
Wow.
Mhm.
That's your magnet.
What's that? Yeah? It's hot? Sorry, babe. Paris Hilton took that line already.
Lila?
Lila, do you hear that?
She goes to put the magnet back on the fridge.
Oh, look at you. Did you put the magnet back up there?
Good job.
Yay. It's hot. Yeah? You got it goes up there and then it comes off. Yay. That's hot? Okay. Mhm.
You did it.
You touched it? But it's hot. Got it. You can't get that one? Here. Here. You get it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good girl.
You're welcome.
Good girl. That's your magnet. Where does your magnet go? Yeah, it goes right there. Good job.
Yay! Mhm. Where does the truck go? Right
Good
there?
job. You say magnet? Can you get it?
Be careful. When you made that sound last time, a fart came out. Here. Oh, you did it.
Good job.
And it goes up there? Mm.